Hello world and hello to the fans of DJI. I'm Young and I'm here to report the rumors of DJI MINI 3. So we now have rumors that there might be DJI MINI 3 coming along in the early part of this year. So while this is a breaking news, nothing is confirmed. I still want to get the news out to you because when we are hearing something from Twitters and so on, it does sort of mean that something is cooking in the headquarters of DJI. So I want to get the news out to you because if you're planning to get a new drone for this year with the possibility of the lifting of traveling ban, I hope that's gonna happen, then you might want to actually wait until Mini 3 is out because Mini 3 might be out in the month of April this year. And in terms of other schedules, this is from the Twitter account Dill's Drone. He can confirm that Inspire 3, Mini 3, FPV Mini is coming in 2022. And this is the guess to the date. It's nothing confirmed, but Mini 3 we see April, and in June we may see RS3, the gimbal, the professional camera gimbal, might be released in July, possibly FPV Mini. That would be something I'll be most interested in. And in September we may get Inspire 3 because we recently, I think Inspire 2 stopped producing. And in November we may see DJI Pocket 3. So a lot of exciting new products might be rolling in this year, provided the chip shortage and so on. But let's see how it goes. So what do we have for Mini 3? And this picture is what we got really excited about because we are now seeing a possible potential box for what they call DJI Mini 3 Pro. Here you can see, and this is, some people regard it as a joke, but you can see that DJI Mini 3 Pro box, it looks something, it looks like DJI design, although the drone in itself, I don't know whether the paper is a bit dented, it looks a little bit funny with the huge obstacle avoidance system and so on, with this RC that looks very professional with the built-in monitor. Ozita LV Twitter account, which does report a lot of DJI rumors and leaks, he thinks this picture is a joke. Another Twitter account which has a very good record of the recent rumors and leaks from DJI. He does comment that new things always look fake, but this time I can't spot any Photoshop flaws, so we'll see. And Jasper Ellens, he comments that the angry sensor that we see in Mini 3 looks something like what we see in Air 2, which I do own. But I'm really excited about Mini 3 because it will be so much smaller, under 250 grams, whereas Air can be rather big. Not an issue when I travel domestically, but if I do travel overseas, then I'd like something a lot lighter. And Jasper Ellens actually goes on to tweet more that this picture of the box is unlikely to be photoshopped because if we see the resemblance in the double air scoops on the back, resemblance to the most recent drone, which was Mavic 3, and design-wise, he actually thinks that it's smart that they switch those arms. We are seeing that the back arms are actually going on top of the front arms. It'll be interesting to see, but apparently it gives more room for bigger props. And another very interesting Twitter that we saw from some random Twitter account that has links to different products like clothes, it also had the link to DJI Mini 3. The picture of it actually looks very, very different from what we had seen so far in the leak of the box that could potentially be Mini 3. But when we follow the link, we see this picture that actually has double air ventilation at the back. The design looks very much like Mini 2, however, we do see another ventilation on the top front part. So this is what Ozita LV Twitter account posted in December 2021. And this is just concept by Ozita LV. So we can see that actually this design, it does have that ventilation at the top front part. It does look quite similar to what we had seen in this random website link. He also talks about the room for bigger propellers without increasing volume and takeoff weight. And updated stronger chips that should process more information from forward, backward, downward obstacle sensors. And also the camera should have the bigger sensor as well. And other items such as OcuSync 3.0 and also the extended battery, possibly without the buttons and lights to maximize efficiency. And also everything being still under 249 grams as per all the Mini series of the drone. So it is really exciting that we may see some updated Mini 3, which should be super duper travel friendly. So I'll keep you guys updated on any new information that may spring up to us. Well, April is not that far, just 1 month away, so I'm sure we'll have more information. So if you guys want me to update you guys with all the news, leaks and rumors from DJI, then please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!